So my morning has consisted of sticking lollies on pieces of paper. Yay! Fun. And that's all. And Emily's eating M&M's. Right, bye.
Have a song para like that?
Yeah, it's an actual song.
Boarding in a house. Boarding in a house.
So we're going to get food. Woo!
But I get that chicken, Caesar, salad, pesto, pasta, salad, and
Hey guys, Sophie back again in the kitchen cooking up some champorado. Mama just left me to go get food because we haven't eaten lunch yet. And anyway, here is the rice boiling away. Hopefully I'm becoming a professional now and like soon I won't need help. But this is the rice. Yum. And then we're gonna add in some champorado, some milk, and then the cocoa powder and sugar. So that's what's happening, and it's Friday. Ooh, we love Fridays because it's the end of the week and then we get the weekend free. Yeah, so that's about it, and deuces.
Chicken. Fried chicken from Macca's. You know Macca's? Macca's is McDonald's. But in Australia, they call McDonald's Macca's. So, dito na sa Australia naman.
Galing.
How to speak that.
Is that champorado? I did everything so far. Diba?
Yeah, what should I say when I'm full?
Yeah, you said yeah.
In Australia?
I'm full.
Yeah. Some words in Australia like cool.
Stuffed.
Huh?
Stuffed.
Stop. Stop eating.
Huh?
Stop.
Stuffed.
Stop.
S-T-U-F-F-E-D.
Stop. I'm not stopped yet. I'm still eating.
We don't really say that.
Huh?
We don't really say that.
Really?
We just say we're full.
I'm not full yet. Ayun na daw. So, yo. Mga kaluga, mga kapiling.
Don Mariano.
Ayun, Don Mariano.
Hi. Look.
Subscribers.
Sarap?
Huh?
Sarap?
Yeah, it is.
Talaga? You tried it?
Nope.
How do you know?
It smells like masarap.
I made it, guys. And then I burnt it.
You burned it. You did.
Friend preaching.
This is sorry. And girls, you're looking good. So we're not sure who's preaching tonight. I was told it was Fran.
It was meant to be Ahmed, but he then told us at lunch that it was Fran. But I thought they were joking, but Sophie thought it was real, so now we're like...
I'm confused. I'm gonna ask him. Ang galing. Ano daw?
Masarap mag-swimming.
Sophie! Hello! What's that?
Send picture. No.
This is Jordan.
Bye!
This is professional chef.
Vlog!
Yep. This is Gerald and he eats a lot. Look, he's about to eat all of this.
Do you want me to?
Uy ka na rin, ganda.
I don't know who that is, but anyways. This is,
I know, Sophie.
I forgot his name. Jake. This is Christian. He's a professional cleaner. He cleaned all of this.
Gemma sister.
No.
Sophie!
Sana all tulad ni Sophie.
And he never does jogging anymore.
Si Sophie lagi nag-jogging. Madaya.
This is Roxanne.
Sophie.
Ano?
Sophie, this is the first time I see you more active than batch 4. Batch 4, ano ba ito? Shy
Talaga.
type. Too shy.
Batch 4, I was sick. Action is at the pool where things be happening, so let's get down, boys and girls. It's at the beers. Oh my gosh, ganda always. Oh, joke lang. Joke lang. Pogi. Oh, look at this.
It's a sad day for Emily.
Nagtatali sa likod. Tapos sabi niya, nung nakabiti na siya, sabi niya, Lord! Lord! Help me! I'm going to die. Sabi ng Panginoon, lahat ko, Lord. Pupulin mo tayo, pupulin mo. Sabi niya, ayoko, mamamatay ako! Hindi niya ginawa. 24 hours ago, tagpuan siya ng mga rescuer. Tagpuan siya ng mga rescuer na nakapalpo sa iyo. Tapos, kupit lang pala yung taas. Ha? Kupit lang yung taas. Alam niyo yung ano? Yung aral? Ha? Pag sinabi ng Panginoon na gawin mo, gawin mo. O pinutol niya ba yung mamamatay siya doon sa yelo? Hindi siya mamamatay. Kaya sa inyo, pag sinabi ng Panginoon, surrender mo yan, surrender mo yan. Diba? Surrender mo kasi tutulungan ka niya. Magtiwala ka sa Panginoon. Sabi nga dito.
Garbage naman na babasa ako.
So this is how we end our Friday night. Conquering our fears of jumping from the high diving board, whatever that is. But I did last week, so I'm not doing it now. I love it. Gotcha.
So ngayon mga kaibigan, mga vlogger din ako. Pero
I'm the main vlogger.
this one is the main vlogger, so I am vlogger also.
And also Emily.
Vlogger ka din? You're also vlogger? This one is my friend. She's sad because the one who borrow her pants is already live.
The hearts are broken.
Kamusta kayo? Welcome sa vlog ni Sophie at ni Arman. Armanopi. Armanopi.
Armanopi. Suman.
Suman pala, Suman. Yun pala yung pangalan. Suman Vlogs. So itong Suman Vlogs ito malupit to. Kita nyo red button sa dito sa gilid. Subscribe. Tapos kita nyo yung may ganun. Like.
Like.
Okay? Like. Ayos? Okay ba yun? Pag di mo ginawa yan, wala ka ng ano. Wala ka ng buhay. Joke.
So tonight is Friday. So we will gonna sleep at 11. Some of the youth campers already.
Hi!
Oh, this is Mercy. So tonight I just want to end the vlog to say like Jesus loves you guys and I am vlogger. Yeah. I'm vlogger. I'm vlogger. Jesus loves you, and just keep watching and subscribe the video. Click the bottom below, down or below. Click the bottom down there. If you see this subscribe thing, just subscribe. Click it, and yeah, just watch for our video for the future. I love you guys. Jesus loves you so much. Vlogger din ako, vlogger.